Building the barbecue. And I actually had one built and it was built like crap. And the way I'm building it so much better. It's not even funny. Do not buy a store-bought barbecue. They do not know what they're doing. There's a major issues with the one that was built and returned. I built my own. Still working on it. Weber, made in China. All rusty outside. It's gonna be for sale. But be careful. Oh, I need my headlamp. Be careful routing your wires. I had mine incorrect. I have to go under this tube, and they weren't. There we go. Now it's under. We need some additional zip ties and whatnot. And that goes like this. All this stuff was hanging down. It wasn't routed right on the store-bought one. This has a stupid battery for the igniter. We'll show you when it's all together. What is this? A Spirit 2? I think it's a Spirit 2 210 2 burner. We got a really old one outside. I rebuilt, but yeah, I use Loctite on everything. It's really sturdy compared to the store-bought one. They left everything loose. It's just incredible. Do not buy a store-bought one. Might put a little wiring loom over here. I'm gonna make it nice. Again, stuff that if I built these for $8 an hour, I would have made $40 on this thing already. Yeah, so I'll show you when it's done. That's what we're doing inside the Horde land. Battery. That was missing too. Where's the doggy? That might corrode over time. I don't really like this design at all. I'd rather have a manual striker. Does it work now? No, maybe it needs another battery. I don't know. You can't even see in Horde land, but it is assembled. It does work. I'll make a video tomorrow. It's so humid out here. On the problems I had. It's pretty minor. Can't even see. It's so humid. So tomorrow, if we're around, show you the deal. An old Smoky has to get cleaned up, put for sale. This thing went on fire like 3 times, and the frame is rusted there, and on the bottom. I might patch it, I might not. It's like no room in here. There it is, the one at Walmart that they picked up. They picked up one of these things built. I noticed that the whole side table fell off on it, like it wasn't bolted on over here. It literally just picked up and it fell off, so maybe they were missing these brackets. It's kind of small compared to the older one. Then their gas line over here was routed all poorly. It was like sticking out. Mine's like pretty mint. I did twist it a little bit, but I could have got that straighter. I kind of like that. It's away from the pit too. So that was that. I put Loctite on all these hardware. So basically just number 3 screws. I would use a bit socket though on it. So mine's way more solid than theirs was. What else is going on? Yeah, this is smaller than this stuff. Check out this. Check out Old Smoky. Old Smoky's much larger. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. I need to patch it over here. It's really rusty and it's falling apart in the middle. It's really rusty on the bottom. I could buy that part for like $30 and put a piece of metal over there, but I don't even think it's worth that. That's that. It has this stupid iPhone stuff that you can add, which is pointless. And then they leave this thing in here so you can't even pop it out. Just, I think that's crappy. I'll do a full review on it when I put gas on there. But what was the funny part? The funny part was, alright, this is electronic igniter. They put a battery in it, right? I go, oh, I don't really like that. It's gonna corrode. I'm like, I don't like that at all. So anyway, it wasn't working because the battery was in the wrong way. The battery, the positive, has to go in. I swear in the directions it said the other way, but the directions are correct. But I don't know how I missed that, but I did. That's the deal with that. And the other one's the same way. It wouldn't ignite, the store-bought one, but that one was seriously shaky. This thing is solid. It must have left like all the hardware Another thing that sucks is not have removable drain pan. Like the whole bottom of it, it doesn't remove. You just have the catch. The older style has a whole big plate, or the Genesis. Now they moved it over there. So basically, what they're doing, they're giving you a lesser quality grill for a higher quality price in the Spirit line, and they want you to move up to the Genesis, and they'll give you what the Spirit used to have. Trickery. I don't know. It works though. It heats up really fast. Kind of has a weird look. Come in all different colors. Kind of like the white or the ivory or the blue. Alright, red. Yeah. Whatever. It's all gonna get dirty anyway. Yeah, it looks funny. It sticks out too far. Got a little smoky. I'm gonna have to. I just run it until it doesn't work anymore. You see, there's the tray over there, so it's really easy to clean. You just pull it out, and the floor's kind of rotten. You could buy that piece too for $30. Like I said, over there is rotted, and over here is rotted. There's a whole beam that goes across. That needs to be dealt with. This side's still solid. Yeah. But yeah, this thing's old. But it still works. And it's rusting. Yeah, maybe I'll find one in the trash with a better frame. Yeah, I power washed this thing too, just made it sandy. But that's that. Yeah, this has like new burners on it, a whole bunch of new parts in here. Doesn't look like it now because it gets used like hell. But yeah. That was all clean too, like months ago, and now look at it again. I had that shining. Some people think when this happens, it's paint peeling off. It's not. It's just baked on stuff. You spray the grease around that, it'll be shiny like the exterior. But some people think they know everything. And that's that. Yeah, it took a while to assemble. Oh, what's another thing? The way like they routed these ignition wires too, it was like shitty on the store-bought one. I would not buy one of these things built in a store. That's just me, because too many people just really just slop them together, and I don't think they really care. Oh, I like that too. It doesn't have wheels on it in the front, so it stays fixed. The other thing moves all around, even if you lock the wheels. So that's kind of cool. I know it's alright. I wouldn't pay like this grill's like $150 marked down. I would not pay like $400 for it, but I'll do like a full review maybe later and put a gas tank on it. Yeah, I built it the first barbecue I assembled.